My name is Rick Renner. People are often saying, Rick, what are all the things behind you on your TV set? So I'm going to tell you, and we're going to begin with this eagle. Is that eagle beautiful? It's made of bronze. It was given to me for the 15th anniversary of the Riga Good News Church. That's the church that Denise and I started with our sons in 1993. And today, so many people attend that church in a fabulous building that was constructed with the gifts of our partners from all over the world. Thank you so much, partners. But this eagle was given to me by that church for their 15th anniversary, and it's seated on top of a bronze column that was given to me by Paul Renner, Philip Renner, and Joel Renner for my 50th birthday. So this is not just a decoration, it really means something to me. But the reason that I put the eagle on the set is because when I look at this eagle, I think about strength. And when I come into this studio, I want to give you my very best. Listen to what the Bible says in Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. And when I come into the studio, if I'm the least bit tired, sometimes I'll just look over at this eagle and I'll think, wow, today the Lord is going to empower me to mount up with wings like eagles. He's going to renew my strength so I can really minister to people who are watching at home. That's why I have an eagle on this set.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.